Hello you guys, I'm back with another Yoga Club unboxing. And I've been dying to find the time to film this. First thing, we have, a cute little sports bra top. It's got like these pink flowers on it. Floral pattern, if you can see. It's got like a cross back. Threads for thought. Oh, this was made using recycled plastic bottles, which is pretty impressive. Oh, okay, this is what I love. A matching legging bottom. So cool. It's got this mesh on the bottom and then a little bit of mesh in the middle. It looks like it's a high-waisted legging. And last thing, the third piece, that is Free People. Shut up. I don't own anything Free People. I feel like I'm not cool enough, but I guess I am now. It's just like this light, kind of like, sort of like a cutoff top a little bit. It's got like this fold, I don't know if you can see that, on the edges. Yeah, just super soft, nice and light. I love the material. It's all a little bit frayed on the ends. It's kind of the look. All right, I'm gonna try these babies on and test them out and see what I think. Comment down below if you've tried Free People and what you think. Okay, we are back. It's been a bit of time since I opened the box. I've been able to try these babies on, to wear them around. As you see, I'm wearing them right now, to go to the gym, sweat in these, see how they feel, see how they fit, how I like them. Yoga Club is a monthly or quarterly subscription box. You go on their website, you take a style quiz, they kind of curate these outfits for you. I really like to try things out so I can actually tell you an honest opinion on them. I've gotten more compliments on all of my Yoga Club activewear than like any other activewear that I've hand selected and picked out and purchased and tried on. Which is like, Yoga Club is one-ing me up in all aspects. Like, never been complimented so much. Every time you get a Yoga Club box, they donate a yoga class to a kid in need. Already saving like 50% off. That's pretty cool, yeah. So if you want an outfit like this, check out the description. Coupon code for you to get your own curated outfit. Okay, so I finally get to show you the whole entire outfit. It's a matching bottom and top, which I love, I'm obsessed with. It's got this cool floral modern kind of pattern, but it's like the base is black, so it's still super chic. They've got mesh cutouts around the ankles, as you can see, and there's a tiny one around the waist. The top doesn't have padding, it's just a pretty simple, clean cut bra top. Just to keep in mind if you're a bigger chested lady. The t-shirts become my favorite thing. It's from Free People. It's super soft. I like to tie it, but you don't have to. Up to you. But I love it. And there you have it. That's the whole thing. It's super cute. This is definitely my favorite that I've received, but I loved all of them. This top even, I'm not like huge into active tops per se. I haven't found ones that I really love. This one I have worn with every single outfit. I've worn it when it's not clean. It's a secret, don't tell anyone. So check out coupon code below and get yourself a curated yoga outfit.